I love sharing information about coins like this because if you look at this coin, it tells a story, and that story is that it has been out in circulation for a long time. Now, before we move forward, let me tell you that this coin sold for $9,600, and I'll tell you exactly why. So first of all, this coin was graded by PCGS as a fine 12. That's extremely low on the grading scale. And again, this simply means that nobody knew that this coin was actually rare when they were spending it until someone that had the information knew that this was actually a very rare coin. So it's important to know that from late 1942 through 1945, these nickel coins were struck on a silver alloy planchet. The reason for this was to conserve copper and nickel for the war efforts. So essentially what happened here was this 1946 coin was accidentally struck on a leftover war nickel planchet, and you can mainly tell the difference between the silver alloy nickel compared to the copper nickel coins of the same date. So make sure you look very closely at this coin. If you have a 1946 coin like this and you think that it might have been struck on a war nickel planchet, you could be in for a real treat. Now, if this coin was to have graded higher than this, the simple fact is this coin would have brought a lot more money than $9,600 simply because condition is so important on the coins. One last thing I'll say is that this coin sold on November 21st of 2022. That is a very recent sale, which means the market is still very strong for these coins. If you're watching this at a later date, there is a probability that the values have either gone up or down. If you got some value from this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a single video, and I'll see you inside the next one.